To all my dear students. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing good. In the previous class, we have completed lesson number 1, Shalu and the Environment, reading and explanation, and also the new words. In today's class, we will be doing its reader exercise, page number 12. So be ready with your term readers, page number 12.
Nouns. Read the following sentences. Shalu goes to school daily. The squirrel is eating a walnut. The words Shalu, school, squirrel and walnut are nouns. Shalu is the name of a person. School is the name of a place. Squirrel is the name of an animal. Walnut is the name of a thing. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals and things. Now we will be doing some grammar exercises in our reader. Write the date here. Children, there is a small change here. You don't have to write the date that I am writing, but you have to write today's date, which is 17-8-20. Then read the A section of your grammar exercise. Pick the nouns from the box and put them in their correct columns. I will be showing you placing one correct noun from this box under each section or each column. You will have to do the rest. Now, first one is doctor. What is a doctor? Is doctor a thing, a place, an animal or a person? It's a person. So write doctor here. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Next, we want to write one place. Let's search for a place. Is boy a place? No. Elephant? No. Dolphin? No. Hospital? Yes. Hospital is a place. So we will write hospital here. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Now, animal. Elephant. You see elephant over here? It's an animal. So we will write elephant here. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Similarly, we will write one thing. Let's see, what's a thing? Rickshaw. Rickshaw is a thing, right? So we will write rickshaw here. R-I-C-K, Rick. S-H-A-W, rickshaw. Okay. Now, I will strike off all the 4 nouns that I wrote. First, I wrote doctor, so I'll strike that off. Then hospital. Where is it? It's here, right? So we will strike that off as well. Then elephant. And lastly, rickshaw. Now, similarly, you have to find the correct noun in this box and write it under the correct column. I will be sharing the correct answers with you in the PDF. But try to do it by yourself also. Next, part B. Underline the names of persons with red, names of special persons with blue, names of things with green, and the names of places with brown color. So take out these 4 color pencils, red, blue, green and brown. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to underline the name of a person with red. See? Red. The name of a special person with blue. Here, blue. The name of a thing with green and name of a place with brown. Okay. So keep these color pencils ready by your side. Now, first sentence is, Shivani flies a kite with her brother. So, Shivani is what? Shivani is a name of a person. So, we will use red. We'll underline Shivani with red. Then, what is kite? Kite is a so we will use green. Okay. Brother is a special person, so we will use blue. Okay. Like this you have to do the rest now. So use these 4 color pencils and finish off the remaining 6. Now moving on to section C. Read the heading first before doing anything. So we will read this heading now. From the following sentences, write the names of animals in the green box and the names of places in the pink box. So we have to read these sentences and write the names of the animals in the green box and names of the places where the animals live in the pink box. I will show you one. Rest you will have to do. Same like we did before. Now, a cow lives in a shed. So here the animal is cow. So we will write cow in the green box. C-O-W, cow. And where does the cow live? What's the place that the cow lives in? It lives in the shed. So shed will go under in the pink box. S-H-E-D, shed. Similarly, I will show you one more. A lion lives in a den. What is the animal that we are talking about here? We are talking about lion. So write L-I-O-N. And remember kids, it's lion, not lion. It's lion. And where does lion live? It lives in the den. So write den in the pink box. Similarly, finish off the rest. Don't worry if you are unable to finish it off. I will be sharing the correct answers with you. Now, nouns, male and female. Nouns tell whether the person or animal is a female or a male. So, example, cock. Cock is the name of a male animal and hen is the name of a female animal, right? So, cock is male, hen is female. Now, we will do the section A of the exercise under male and female nouns. It is match the following. So, the heading is always read the heading first. Remember, always read the heading first. Match the males in column A, this is column A, with their females in column B, this is column B. I would request you all to use a scale to match or draw the lines to match. So the first one is uncle. Uncle is the male noun. Now the female part or the partner of uncle is aunt. So place your scale one end here and the other end on B like so and draw a straight line. See how neat that looks? Next, bull. What's the female partner of a bull? It's cow. So place the scales in the same manner and draw the line. See how simple that is? Now next, horse. Who's the female partner of horse? It's a mare. It's called a mare. Draw the line. Next, lion. Who is the female partner of a lion now? It's a lioness. Very good. So draw the line for lioness. See how neat the lines look and everything. Next, father. So father and mother. So draw the line for father to mother. Okay? Now, in the following sentences, change the male nouns to female nouns and the female nouns to male nouns. Okay? So we have to change the nouns from male to female and female to male. The first one, there is a boy under the tree. So here the boy is a male noun. So underline it and write the female of it, which is girl, G-I-R-L, girl. There is a girl under the tree. Next, my sister is a naughty girl. What is sister? Sister is a female noun. And girl is also a female noun. We have to change it to male noun. Sister's male noun is brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother is a naughty boy, B-O-Y, boy, because girl's male noun is boy. Next, the king was fond of new dresses. So what was the king is? The male noun. We will underline king, and over here we will write the female noun, which is queen. Queen. The queen was fond of new dresses. Next, the peacock is on the terrace. So what is the female of a peacock? It's peahen. So underline peacock and write peahen. 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 The peahen is on the terrace. His son is a doctor. So son is the male noun. So underline son and over it write daughter. His daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter. His daughter is a doctor. Now, nouns, one and more than one. To show more than one thing, we add S, ES, IES or VES to the nouns. Examples, one boy. How many now? 1, 2, 3. 3 boys. 1 glass. 1, 2. 2 glasses. Complete the crossword with more than one nouns. Use the clues from the box. Down and across. Down means standing line. Okay? And across means sleeping line. Standing line is down, sleeping line is across. So I will show you one for down and one for across. Rest you will have to do. It's very easy. If once I show you, you will know what I'm talking about. So down, that is standing line. More than one dish. What is a more than one dish? We say dishes. So always use capital letters in every box when you're writing the answer. So D-I-S-H, dish, E-S, dishes. Next, I will show you one for across now. Across is sleeping line. More than one diary. What is more than one diary? It is diaries. D-I-A-R-I-E-S. Diaries. Similarly, you have to write for the remaining two in each box and show me. Again, don't worry if you cannot write it by yourself. I will share the PDF which has all the correct answers in it. Okay?